Sandisk is up over 300% over the last year, and the question is this a big bubble or a great buying opportunity? In this video, I'll break down what could potentially happen to your money if you invest in this stock. I'll touch on 5 things. Number 1, how does Sandisk make money? Number 2, who are their clients? Number 3, what's the latest news on this stock? Number 4, what are the ratings in Tykr? And number 5, where do I believe this stock can go from here? If you don't know me, I'm Tepper, the founder and CEO of Tykr, which is a platform that helps people buy and sell stocks with confidence. Today, we have over 13,000 customers in over 50 countries. And good news, you can join Tykr for free. Simply go to tykr.com and click on Start Free Trial. Number 1, what do they do and how do they make money? Well, Sandisk, in simple terms, is a digital warehouse builder. So what does that mean? They specialize in NAND flash memory. That's NAND. What their memory does is it's really fast and it's really reliable. For example, if you flip the power off, it's still going to retain the data. Like if there's a surprise interruption and some emergency happens, it's going to secure that data at that instant. And there are other drives that can do that, but they're considered one of the fastest and most reliable on the market. That's important because one of their big partners is actually Nvidia. Nvidia has some of the fastest chips on the market, and they need a drive that keeps up with their speed. In other words, they need some of the fastest drives on the market to support the high processing speed of those chips. Moving on to point 2, who are their biggest clients? That includes Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. And as mentioned before, they're partnered up with Nvidia. Nvidia needs some of the fastest drives on the market, and Sandisk, they're best in class right now. Moving on to point number 3, the latest news. So this is a big one, and I kind of saw this coming within the last month or two, which is a potential stock split. In fact, I'm seeing rumors of a 10-for-1. A 10-for-1, this is really good to pay attention to, is when you go from a high number to a low number, that's a really good sign. You want that stock split moving from a high price to a low price. So 10-for-1 would mean their current price, which is around $1,500 today, move to $150. Now, if you own shares of Sandisk, it does not mean you're going to be 10 times more rich. What it does mean is the barrier to entry is lowered, which causes a lot more people to invest in the stock, which causes the share price to take off again, and everybody makes money. When you have a stock split that's let's say a 1 to 10, that's a bad place to be. What that means is you have a penny stock, anything less than $5, and that company's trying to be clever and move that share price up to, let's say it's $5 and we want to move it to 50. While if you're using Tykr, you're becoming more knowledgeable with the stock market, you will not be fooled by that kind of trick. So with Sandisk, they're moving in the right direction. Again, big number to a small number, 10 to 1. That's what we want to see. Another point here with the news is their revenue is up over 250% over the last year. And this is the big one, EPS increase. So EPS is the number 1 most important line on the financial statements, earnings per share, essentially the profits of the company. Well, when you have a stock that's increasing its EPS by a few cents or maybe $1 or $2, that's a big deal. Check this out. Their EPS went from $5.46 up to $24.43. That's a massive jump in profitability. What that tells us is management is being very good about keeping their costs under control, even though their revenues are skyrocketing. I see way too many companies out there when they start increasing their revenues, then they start spending a lot more money. So their revenues are increasing and their expenditures are increasing. In that case, you're not increasing your profits, which does not create an exciting company to invest in. This stock, on the other hand, is a completely different story. Keep those costs under control, let that revenue fly through the roof. Those are the businesses we like to look for. Highly profitable, highly scalable businesses. All right, on that note, let's take a look at what's going on in Tykr. We're not going to touch on all the ratings. We'll keep this really simple. Our main rating is the summary. It's inspired by the traffic light, where stocks are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. That's green, gray, or red, and only about 15% of stocks make it to on sale. Check this out. Sandisk is on sale. You can also see, check this out, the margin of safety on this stock right now around $1,500, fair value $7,200. So when people out there say, hey, this share price is really expensive, don't focus on the share price, focus on the fair value. Not all platforms are going to calculate the fair value for you. With Tykr, we do exactly that, big time saver. And then we want to pay attention to the 7. This is essentially the easy button. We want to look for a 5, 6, or 7. That pretty much puts a stock in the top 1 to 2% of stocks in the market. So clicking on the 7, we can see they are 5 out of 7. All right, this leads up to point 5. Where can this stock go from here? Let's jump to the financials tab. If we continuously see the EPS increasing and at the same time they're beating their earnings estimates, this stock, high probability, the share price will continue to increase. Management needs to do a good job, keep those costs under control like they are right now, increase the revenue, increase the profits, and beat those earnings estimates. If they continue doing that, well, the stock will continue making a lot of money for shareholders. As mentioned earlier, you can join Tykr for free. Simply go to tykr.com and then over to Start Free Trial. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.